Hey guys, in this lesson we are going to see how to generate a random alphanumeric string in Swift. For that, we can go ahead and create a new function. I will call this as random string, and this function will take an input for ask user to, otherwise ask us to, how many places, how many characters we need for that string is. Then we can say that as length input data type is int. Now this function will take a output as a string. This function will produce a output as a string, which is the random string. Now we can go ahead and say let letters and set this equals to English alphabet in simple letters and also in capital letters, also numbers from 0 to 9. I will say firstly simple letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, now in capitalized letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, and then X, Y, Z. Finally, we have to put numbers 0, 9, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Now we have to return a string, right? We can go ahead and say return here. Then return type is string here, and parentheses. Inside parentheses we have to pass in again parentheses, and inside that 0 and 2 dots and less than length. Now I will say dot map for this one, and finally inside braces we can create underscore in. Now we are going to access this one, this variable letters dot random element. Alright, now we have to say exclamation mark here. Alright, to generate a string I will go ahead and call for this function random string how many length we need, how many characters we need. We need 10 characters. Alright, now actually we can declare a variable for this. Let str ran is equals to this one, and we can access this variable. Now I will print this str ran. Let's go ahead and see. You can see this string has been generated with capitalized letters, also numbers and simple letters. Okay, this is it for this lecture, and I will see you in the next lecture. Thank you.